This video is an introduction into group work and the materials you need. So the first thing you'll see is there'll be a slide here with all the groups filled in. For this video, I just put one group, not to confuse us. So find your group, okay? In this case, we're group number 3. You need to remember group 3. So I know today I'm working in group 3. Next, I need to get the materials. So here's my Google Classroom class, right? So you're gonna go to Google Classroom, go to classwork, and you'll see 1.3 group work. So you'll click on this, click on the document, and it'll take you somewhere like this. Okay, one more time, I'll start over. Once you're in Google Classroom, you go to classwork, and you'll see it will just say 1.3 or 1. Whatever group work. And you click on that document and you open it up. You'll end up on a page like this where everything is identical. And once again, it still says your group 3. Now you need to find your group 3 section. So you can either, it's color coded, so you can either scroll down to the blue part, group 3, or you can just click right here and it will take you down there. Same thing. So now you have that open. Now you need to go join your group. How do we do that? We do that in Microsoft Teams. Ignore this because that's for this demo. So I'm in Teams, so I've clicked here. I can see all my classes. I'm going to click on my humanities class. And now I'll see, you won't see this video, but you'll see all of these groups down here, right? What group are you again? You're group 3. Click on group 3. And unless you're the video recorder, if you're the video recorder, remember you have to start the video. So if you come to this screen and you don't see the thing that says join, just wait a few seconds. Your video recorder is probably just a tad behind you and trying to trying to start that video. But everyone else, when you click on your group, you'll see a thing here that says join, and you just click there to join the video. One more time, just make sure you remember this. You click on your humanities link, go to your group, and click join. Make sure it's for the correct day, but it should be. Click join and you're in your video. So overall, you need to do a couple things. You need to figure out what group you're in, open the correct document in Google Classroom, right? It looks like this, and join the correct conversation in Microsoft Teams.